Let's talk briefly about DNA evidence in the case against alleged quadruple homicide defendant Brian Kohberger. In a court filing, the defense recently said that there is no connection between Mr. Kohberger and the victims. Now that's not entirely accurate if in fact the DNA on the knife sheath matches Kohberger's DNA, which is what the prosecution has said. That is powerful evidence of a connection between Kohberger and the victims. Now let's talk about wrongful convictions in the context of DNA evidence. Now in this case, the defense must attack the DNA evidence because that's the strongest evidence the prosecution has against Kohberger. But lawyers are masters at arguing two sides of an issue. On the other side of the coin, the Innocence Project, who represents defendants who they believe have been wrongfully convicted, use DNA evidence to have those defendants exonerated. Unlike Kohberger's defense, the Innocence Project embraces the DNA evidence. How did his DNA get on the knife sheath? It's hard to say that law enforcement planted it there, because when it was discovered, they didn't know who he was. So remember, sometimes DNA evidence is good for the defense and sometimes it's bad.